Hey, what's up guys? Super excited to show you guys this. We'll make this intro super quick. We'll be documenting my entire tattoo process, working on my second tattoo with Sway818. You guys want to check him on Instagram. This is less vloggy and more of a how-to and process video. So that way, if you guys are looking for your new tattoo or your first tattoo, this will show you exactly what to prepare for. You guys ready to head to Sway's house? 2-hour drive, let's go. All right guys, 2 hours later, transporting you to Culver City. Sway's right here.
What up, what up?
This is the beginning of the shop. That should be opening, what, August?
Yeah, August 1st.
August. So just to show you guys a quick preview, I'll have an updated video on this, but he wanted to give me a quick tour. Pretty big space. There's some private rooms back there too. By the way, if you guys want to see like behind the scenes stuff, follow my Snapchat, Smurfinwrx, or my Instagram. I'll be doing more of Snapchat stuff on this one, but back to tattoo.
Maybe like 4 or 5 hours, maybe like 4 hours.
Crazy.
You're gonna be at the house doing it?
Yeah, so if you want to come by, you can freaking jump on the game. I'm gonna be right here tattooing and just
Yeah,
have.
let's do that. I wanna come over.
What do you got, Sway?
Swear like you're just as hairy as you were last year.
It took me 31 years to grow this hair, and you're shaving it off. It'll take me another 31 years to grow the same hair. So you're prepping it, so you have to shave it first, right?
Yeah, tattoo kind of like sticks in the pores, so if there's like a hair follicle right there, it kind of just hinders the process.
It's weird.
I'm not get to where I want to break it. Like, oh fuck. Just gotta draw that shit all over again, give you like 2 hours. It's just like, what the fuck?
That thing's warm.
What, the cream one?
Yeah, so your hand.
No, that's gotta be my hand. Warm to the touch, baby. You.
What?
It's tight. She looks so hard, huh?
All right, guys, you ready? Just like before, lots of needles.
Like a cat scratch.
Like a cat scratch. 5 seconds down. 4 hours ago.
5 seconds and then it stops. And then 5 seconds and then it stops, right?
It sucks with this one, I can't see anything. At least last time I got to see it. You know?
Oh.
A few minutes have gone by. That's what we got so far. Pain's okay. It's like 6 7, and then it goes away to like 5, 4, and then it comes back a little bit. So it's not too bad. You'll get used to it. So I found a sensitive spot. It's right around. Oh, there's not too bad. We're on the shoulder blade area.
He's like, as soon as it starts hurting, that's where I need to start filming.
Right there. I can feel every vibration and every needle. Right there. That's crazy. It's like way different from the others. Some of them I don't even feel them anymore. We're about an hour in. This is what we have so far. There's it's hot, a little stinging, but it's good. 3, 4 more hours ago.
Oh shit.
All right, we're 2 hours in.
Smoke.
Full outline done.
Flash Dizzle.
So places near the bone. Yeah. like right
Woke
there.
up. You're alive.
Hey guys, 2 hours and 30 minutes later, this is what's going on right now. So we got a bit of shading in right here. This spot hurts the most. Roughly around here hurts the second. And then right about armpit area is kind of interesting. But everything else is really easy. This right here was pretty intense though. It's like the collarbone area. I found another spot. We've got some color. This is brown.
Yeah, like the dark shade that goes like onto the red. So it's not just flat red, you know?
Alright guys, this is what we have.
Hey,
Hey.
what's poppin'? What are you doing? Yeah, I'm just wrapping up this tattoo up over there like 10 minutes. Cousin's there too? Is Stanley there too? Alright, cool.
I'll see you in 8 days.
1 week.
Yeah. All right, guys, I am walking out right now. I'm gonna get home and I'll show you guys a little bit more what's going on. But I'm gonna trek back for a 2-hour freaking drive. Quick update. So that took about 3 hours. We took a bunch of breaks in between. So the breaks were roughly like 30 to 40 minutes apart from each other to give it time to kind of cool down a bit. He wrapped it with Sanoderm, which is really cool. This is the medical wrap that I talked about in my first tattoo video. I love it. The healing process for this thing was super amazing. So right now the sensation is burning. So it feels like you got a really bad sunburn and it's like completely burning right now. It does go away over time and we're just gonna have to let it heal. So tomorrow I'm gonna actually remove it and then we're gonna see how it looks. Shower, clean it off, and then rewrap it for another week. So you guys, I know in the comments some of you guys will say you can't wrap it for a week. You should not saran wrap it for a week, but Sanoderm is a little bit different. It's medical wrap. So we talked about this last time I did it for this one. Anyways, we're gonna go home first and I'll show you guys the rest of it. Ready? Go.
Keep left to take Interstate 10 east towards San Bernardino, Santa Ana.
Hi, baby.
What's that?
You see what happened?
What's that?
It's my tattoo.
And up there?
Look, can you see it?
Wow.
Whoa. Do you like it?
Yes.
You're my biggest fan. Are you guys ready for another few minutes of me just shirtless? And I'll tell you guys the truth why I got this tattoo is because I have this hideous tan line I've been trying to cover up. So I decided to get the huge flower just to hide it. Now I'm just kidding. I'm going to be off to the side because I want you guys to focus more on this bad boy right here than myself, but I have the microphone right here. So guys, this is just after the shower. I took off the Sanoderm from last night and I peeled it off. I kind of washed it slowly with a little bit of soap and it has this like really interesting kind of film over your skin. It's from your plasma. And I kind of just cleaned off real gentle. It didn't hurt that much this morning, but man, when I tell you guys last night when I was driving home, it was like I need a little bit of meds or some sort. So I took a few Advils just to kind of calm everything down and it felt a lot better. Pain wise, yesterday I didn't communicate a lot during the session because it was like whoa, and pain was interesting. It shot from like a 4, which is like 5 is like, it's like okay, it hurts, but I can deal with this and I don't have to focus on it. 6 is when you have to focus. 7 is like all right. 8 is when you're questioning life. And it didn't necessarily reach 8, but like a 7.5 is what I would call it at certain points, especially on the collarbone area around here. But when I was driving home last night, I definitely started feeling the throbbing of the entire tattoo. So I already wrapped it, I already sprayed it down. And then so I took the Advil and it felt perfectly fine. I can move around. Right now it's kind of a little tender and a little sore for something this big. So collarbone, if you guys don't want the pain, avoid the collarbone and avoid the shoulder. So anything near closest to a bone, the bone is closest to the surface, it does definitely hurt. But let's take a closer look at this because you guys are more interested in this than my nipples. This is what we got going on right now. And it is beautiful. I think my favorite leaf is probably that one right there. It's going to be that one right there. You can kind of see how it's still a little bit red. But we still got more work to be done. This is number 2. And we have so much more work. But it's cool because when I like turn, I like how it looks like, almost like looks like a little wing, right? I like it. I really like it. I got out of the shower, I cleaned up, and then I was just doing my hair and just kind of getting my pants on. Then I turned to the mirror and I kind of forgot I had this for a moment. I did a quick little double take of myself and I was like, oh, look what you got there. So I do like it. It's nice and big, but I like how it sits on the shoulder and the trap very well. So the future plans for this is we're going to be putting a few more things. In the next few weeks, we're going to be adding a Vietnamese drum, which is right here. It's super old. It's kind of an ancient drum, has like ancient birds on there, which you'll see the ancient birds later on around my arm. And then on the back side, we're planning for a dragon that comes up my back a little bit. And we're going to see if we can inch it up here. If not, then we're going to be good, because I want to make sure if I wear a professional collar, it still disappears. My tattoo disappears. But when I wear a t-shirt and tank top, it'll be perfectly fine. But this is what we got going. See? I wanted to do red versus any other color. Sway talked about possibly putting a little bit of gold around it to let it pop a bit. I'm more than happy to let him experiment with some interesting colors on here. Crazy, right? So definitely done but not done. And we'll add more pieces to it to kind of complete the process, and then add more to the actual art if we need to. But this is what we got going, guys. If you guys are wondering, like the pain, I think everyone is always worried about like the pain part of everything. I would say it's not unbearable, and in the moment you just want to like just hit Sway real quick, but it's so worth it. After 3 hours of this, it's fine. The next morning when I woke up, it felt fine. Like I had the Sanoderm still wrapped on myself, and I was like sore but not uncomfortable. Cleaning it was easy, and I'm about to wrap it with Sanoderm right now for 1 week. So in the comments, I know you guys are gonna be like, you can't wrap it for a week. You shouldn't wrap saran wrap for a week, but this is Sanoderm. This is like a medical wrap. So I did it with this one, and it's proven to be good. So I completely trust it. Sway's been using it for years, and I trust him, and it worked on this. So I'm gonna do it again with this one. This one had no scarring, no scabbing, no nothing. So I'm gonna do it to this one too, and I'll show you guys the progress throughout the week. So if you guys are new to the channel, welcome. Follow along. This is a really big process. I think we'll have about 4 weeks of this, once a week sessions, and then this whole arm should be no more bareness, and I can hide my flabbiness here. What do you guys think? All right, guys. Hey, thank you so much for watching and following along on today's video of the tattoo. Any questions, leave a comment below. Tattoo inquiries, hit up Sway818 on Instagram. He's the best way to reach. He's the best person to reach for about anything. He's a talented artist and all that good stuff. So I love you guys for following along. And I'm gonna get back to work, back to the normal daily grind. It's kind of cool, right? I'm happy with it. Cool, guys. I'll see you guys later. Peace out.